Alright, thank you.
Alright, now that your paddles are in the right position, I want to show you where to put your hand. If they're too close together, you're going to look like a T-Rex. Punch back, punch like a snake. Don't do that. Too far apart. Lean back. Then pop it up over here. If for some reason you paddle around, you get distracted by a mermaid, you're just going around like this, floating sideways. That next wave is going to come in. Hurricane flares and just tip your boat over. They're never in front of your boat because that next wave is going to be first. These boats are indestructible.
Hey everybody, it's Frank. And today we are kayaking in La Jolla Coves. Right? Okay, so how do you like it so far, Katie? Pretty neat. I went into the cave. The ocean was kind of rough, so I don't really advise it. It's not that exciting, and the sea lions have left their scent, if you can say that. Yeah, it smells just horrible. But we're just taking a little break right here, and then we're going back. But we figured since we made it this far, we might as well do some kind of filming. But that over there is beautiful La Jolla, and I'm assuming that's La Jolla Pier. And then back there, see, there's another group going out. Sweetie, please don't turn me away. See what I mean?
When your hand was like that.
Nowadays, it's got the private beach, one of the few private beaches in California. You also have tennis courts, and you have a 9-hole trip and putt golf course. Does anyone want to take a guess as to how much it costs to be a member there? We got $1 million a year going once, going twice. No one else? $65,000 just to apply. And there's a 3-year waiting period. And then once you get in, if you get in, it's about $6,000 a year. Yeah, it's crazy, right? This whole area over here used to be a cow farm, by the way. I just learned that a couple days ago. There's pictures of cows walking up and down the beach. It's pretty funny. There's a cow farm over here. There's a horse farm down north of us. On the right side of these red tile roof buildings, we've got some with darker windows and white skylights on top. That's the Marine Room. That's the La Jolla Beach and Tennis Club's restaurant. And twice a year, when the sun, earth, and moon align in such a way that the tides are really big, we'll have waves that come and crash into and on top of that building. So people will pay good money to come in, sit down, and drink their mimosas while waves crash into the building. Twice in that restaurant's history, the waves actually smashed.
Ling, watch out. I gotta get my shoes, man. At least the sun held out for a little while. I see your slips there, Katie.